how to generate income easily from home. What if I told you that making money from home isn't just possible, it can be incredibly profitable? Imagine sipping your morning coffee, working from your couch, and effortlessly building income streams that could change your life. Sounds like a dream, right? Today, we're diving into how to generate income easily from home. These ideas are not your typical sell stuff online tips. They're rare, innovative, and so lucrative, they might just blow your mind. Stick with me because you're about to unlock opportunities you never even thought existed. Let's get started. 1. Hyper-niche content creator. What is it? Everyone's heard of YouTube and TikTok creators, but what about becoming a hyper-niche content creator? Pick a specific underserved niche like eco-friendly pet toys, luxury budget travel, or DIY miniature furniture. Build engaging content around your passion and monetize through ads, affiliate links, and brand deals. How much can you make? Creators in niche spaces often charge $2,000 to $10,000 per brand deal. With just 1 or 2 collaborations a month, you're looking at $5,000 consistently. Why it's unique? Most people go broad with content creation, but focusing on a niche makes it easier to stand out and grow an audience fast. Platforms like Patreon and Ko-Fi let you earn directly from loyal fans too. 2. Virtual property staging consultant. What is it? With the rise of real estate listings online, virtual property staging is booming. Use design apps like Canva or RoomSketcher to create staged interior images that help sellers present homes in their best light without physically moving furniture. How much can you make? Charge $300 to $1,000 per virtual staging project. Handling 2 to 3 properties a week can bring in $2,000 to $4,000 monthly. Why it's unique? Unlike traditional staging, this job doesn't require you to step inside the home or rent expensive furniture. It's low cost, high reward, and entirely digital. Customized digital resume builder. What is it? In a competitive job market, people are willing to pay for standout resumes. Offer a service to create custom-designed resumes that are ATS-friendly, or applicant tracking system-friendly, and visually appealing using tools like Canva or Google Docs. How much can you make? Charge $150 to $300 per resume. Crafting just 2 resumes a day could bring in $9,000 a month. Why it's unique? Most resume services are generic. You can stand out by offering personalized designs tailored to specific industries or roles, ensuring clients shine in their applications. AI-powered chatbot developer for small businesses. What is it? Small businesses are embracing automation but often don't know how to create chatbots for customer service or lead generation. Use platforms like ChatGPT, ManyChat, or MobileMonkey to design custom AI-powered bots for them. How much can you make? Charge $1,000 to $5,000 per chatbot, depending on complexity. With 1 client per week, you could make over $20,000 a month. Why it's unique? This service is in high demand, yet most small businesses can't afford big tech firms. You fill the gap by offering affordable, user-friendly solutions. Virtual personal chef subscription service. What is it? Combine meal planning, grocery shopping, and virtual cooking lessons into a subscription-based service. Clients receive tailored recipes, shopping lists, and live cooking sessions, all from their phones or laptops. How much can you make? Charge $150 to $300 per month per client. With 20 clients, you're pulling in $6,000 monthly. Why it's unique? This goes beyond meal prep delivery services by offering a personalized touch. Plus, your operational costs are minimal since you don't handle the food directly. Rare collectibles appraiser. What is it? Got an eye for value? Offer a service appraising rare items like vintage toys, trading cards, or antiques. Clients often need expert evaluations for insurance, sales, or auctions. How much can you make? Charge $100 to $500 per appraisal. Handling 5 to 10 appraisals weekly could bring in $2,000 to $5,000 monthly. Why it's unique? Unlike traditional appraisers, you can conduct appraisals virtually via video calls and images, making it faster and more convenient. Subscription-based online mastermind groups. What is it? Entrepreneurs and professionals pay big bucks to join exclusive mastermind groups where they can network, share strategies, and learn from industry experts. Host these groups virtually using platforms like Zoom or Slack. How much can you make? Charge $100 to $500 monthly per participant. With 30 members, that's $15,000 a month in passive income. Why it's unique? You're not selling products or services directly but creating value through community and connection. It's scalable and highly profitable. Digital note-taking course creator. What is it? Teach people how to organize their lives using digital note-taking apps like Notion, Evernote, or OneNote. Design a course showing how to optimize productivity, set goals, and stay on track. How much can you make? Charge $50 to $300 per course. Sell to 100 people monthly and you're looking at $5,000 to $30,000 in revenue. Why it's unique? This niche appeals to students, entrepreneurs, and professionals alike. You don't need to reinvent the wheel, just share your unique system. Personalized, DIY wedding consultant. What is it? Weddings are expensive, but many couples want to DIY their big day. Offer virtual consulting sessions to help them plan and execute stunning, budget-friendly weddings. How much can you make? Charge $1,000 to $2,500 per wedding. Managing just one client per week could earn you over $10,000 monthly. Why it's unique? You're tapping into the $300 billion wedding industry without stepping into the venue. All you need are strong organizational skills and creativity. Virtual Fitness Accountability Coach. What is it? Help clients stick to their fitness goals with daily check-ins, meal planning tips, and motivational texts, all from your phone. How much can you make? Charge $100 to $300 monthly per client. With 30 clients, you could earn $9,000 a month. Why it's unique? This isn't about being a personal trainer, it's about being a virtual motivator. It's simple, scalable, and requires no certifications. Final thoughts. There you have it, 10 innovative and rare ways to generate income easily from home. These ideas aren't just side hustles, they're potential life changers. Whether you're looking to replace your 9-to-5, build a side income, or take your entrepreneurial dreams to the next level, these opportunities prove that the sky's the limit when you think creatively. Thanks for tuning in to Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.